Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to use voice-to-text dictation in Salesforce. This is a helpful way to enter notes, updates, and information faster, using your voice instead of typing. On your Salesforce dashboard, we will start by adding an extension. We will open a new tab and go to Google Chrome Extensions. Once the page loads, this is where we will find our extensions. We will search for the voice extension, since this is the one we will use to convert voice into text. This way, when we need to fill in information in Salesforce, we can do it by voice. We will add it to Chrome and then confirm by clicking Add Extension. Now let's wait for this to finish loading. We can try it out right away. Here, we can start recording. Allow the permission when prompted and then begin speaking. For example, say, "Hi, hi, hi." Once we run it, it will convert our speech into text. Once it's working, we can use it by pressing Ctrl and space to start dictating. Now let's go back to Salesforce. Let's try filling out a form. We will go to Cases and click New. When the form opens, we can click on the subject field and use our voice to fill it in. As we speak, it will record and convert our voice to text. When we click on the description field, a small indicator will appear to show it's recording. After we speak, the description will be filled in automatically. This saves us time and makes it much easier. No need to type everything out. We simply speak, and the text is entered for us. And that's how we use voice-to-text dictation in Salesforce. With this simple feature, we can speed up our workflow and make data entry faster and more efficient.